Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready, update OBS and GPU drivers, and run OBS as administrator so capture hooks work. Next, open Minecraft in borderless or windowed mode because game capture struggles with exclusive full screen. Once done, add a game capture source, choose capture-specific window, and pick your Java/Minecraft process. You do this to force OBS to hook into the correct process. Also disable any overlays from Discord or graphics utilities that can block capture. You now refine OBS settings so recording is stable. Switch OBS renderer to Direct 3D11 and set FPS to match Minecraft. Mismatched rates create stutter. Use game capture with capture-specific window and try both allow transparency and different capture methods if it fails. For encoding, choose hardware encoder if available to reduce CPU load and set bitrate appropriate to resolution. Make sure source order places game capture above any chroma or filter layers, so the game remains. You finish by testing a short recording and verifying both video and audio are present. Review the saved file with a media player. If the capture is black, toggle disable full screen optimizations on the Minecraft executable and retry, because Windows optimizations can break hooks. Once fixed, lock the game capture source and save the scene collection. If things still go wrong, try window capture or display capture as a fallback, and reinstall OBS or update Java as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.